Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 35mm black and white fashion shot. Well, this is pretty nice. I like it. I select this one from many shots. Well, since this is black and white, so I gotta colorize first, and well, let's make some kind of nice illustration type image, maybe. I don't know. I have this base image scanned, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used to be able to color find edges, but it's pretty thin, don't see much lines, huh? Well, I'm gonna colorize first, and let's see how it goes. I kind of like pastel colors these days, so I'm gonna add color. Well, let's get started. First, colorize. Add layer for color, and change blend mode to color first. Okay, then just colorize. I'm gonna use brush, no texture of the brush, I don't need that. So airbrushing to be medium blend, go from this, yeah, skin tone, go for rough paint first. Well, I made some couple different image from this shooting to finish up with the colorizer also. Well, I want to try different color variation, color coordination to this one. So well, let's see about color balance. What do you think? Pretty much cold colors, not much amber color. Well, let's add some more amber color to go a little more warm light. Use a background. Okay, go for makeup. Well, this color layer pretty interesting though. If I change this one to, look at this, it goes to so much different colors. Looks like kids painting. Wow. But when you change to color, pretty nice. I think colorize done. Now what's next? I'm gonna make one layer, make group, then duplicate this group, then flatten the image. Now I'm going to turn it off, this group. Well, I'm going to change all the names first. Rename. Okay. Now I changed the original image, black and white. Then add color. This is a color layer. Then I merge down these two layers to get this one image, which is original color. This is the one layer. Then pencil drawing type image. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. This group I'm going to turn it off to keep it just now, and I'm gonna work on this original image now. Let's see if I can make something different. Let's check out this pencil drawing type image. I think it's interesting, this luminosity image. Well, let's try this. Okay, pencil drawing, change blend mode to luminosity, make group, duplicate these layers, then flatten image. This is a luminosity effect layer. Now this is a little bit thin color, so I'm going to duplicate this layer. Then one of the top, I'm going to change the blend mode to multiply, so color goes darker. Maybe tone down just a touch. Okay, 90%. Now I'm gonna merge down. I'm gonna rename this. Okay, this is a luminosity effect layer, original color base. Okay, now I'm gonna break this group, pencil drawing type image and original color image. Bring this one outside of the group and delete this group. I'm gonna work on these three layers. Okay, this is gonna be the base image, this illustration image. So I'm gonna move this one bottom. Then let's see, pencil drawing type image. I'm gonna bring this one back to normal blend mode. Now turn it off just for keep. Then this is original color. I'm gonna make mask. Now invert mask. Now we see this original color image as a base. Now I'm gonna reveal this mask. Wait, what's the brush? That's the point. Sketching. How about Bonobo chalk? Now I want to try this drawing to evolve. This brush has more sharper edge. Now what I want to try is duplicate this luminosity effect color original layer. Move this one up. This image, I'm gonna use Gaussian blur effect, about 7%. Okay, now it's done. Then change blend mode to darken. Well, touch, not much effect. How about change to color burn? Just a touch colors goes dark, huh? We'll take this mask off. Color goes more saturated. Linear burn. This is, I think, too dark. How about this 40% overlay, which makes more softer image? Yeah, I kind of like this. Lighten up and soften up. Then with this, well, with the mask though. Okay, without using this mask here, I'm gonna add this layer, fill in with white 100%, then make mask with same Bonobo chalk. It's not much interesting, is it? No, because this is just a photograph, no illustration type image. This mask is more illustration type image. Okay, I'm gonna use this mask and okay, I'm gonna use this mask as is. I'm not gonna change anything, but I add this overlay effect. So I'm gonna delete this white layer. I'm not gonna use this. Then I'm gonna make mask on this luminosity color original layer, change to overlay 40%, which is more softer image, right? Okay, I'm gonna make mask, invert mask. Now I'm not using now. I'm gonna reveal this. Just leave it outside as it is. Looks like illustration type image. Now I'm gonna reveal here with, let's see, using sketching to bonobo chalk to show her face to be a little bit more softer, nicer. Only this much. Lighten up. Then let's see, touch up with this mask, right? Okay. Just touch up face. Looks nicer. And grains. Okay. Maybe that'll work. Okay, let's see. I'm not using this pencil drawing type image. Well, color burn, it's a little bit dark, but I don't think that much difference. And this mask is, yes, only her face, lighten up, soften up. Then this is the overall original color image. This is the base image of the illustration type image. Okay, well, that's about it. Okay, I add, this is okay. First of all, I had this original image. This is the original one. Then I add color on this layer. Then I merge down this image, change to luminosity effect original, which is this effect. Then this is the base image. Now I had original color image with mask using this much. This is original color image. Make mask to get this one on this base image of the luminosity effect layer. Then I add, well, using the luminosity effect original is Gaussian blur to lighten up, soften up this face part. Only this much I used, but still have texture of the bonobo chalk, the grain type image, but still lighten up, a little bit low contrast. Well, pastel color, this is it. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. And you guys have a nice day, and let's be creative. Let's make something interesting, something impressive image. Well, thank you again, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.